Good afternoon, class. My name is Jeremy Richard. I am presenting on the FamilySearch.org website. It is for tracing your lineage if you are a Latter-day Saint. The thing about tracing your lineage if you are a Latter-day Saint, aka a Mormon, is that marriages were two different ways. You would get married civilly, like in a courthouse, or you would get married in the temple, which is for a much longer period of time. The LDS Church believes it is for time and all eternity. That being the case, how your records are stored is different than if it were stored in a civil matter. On this website, you have the ability to trace your ancestors using census records, online records, church records, patriarchal blessings, perpetual immigrations, priesthood records, and an absolute host of other methods. This uses computer science programming in the form of algorithms to help you with your search. It is a smart tool. You can use literally anything. It can be newspaper articles, it can be magazine articles, obituaries, military records, whatever you found, a rubbing off of a gravestone marker, whatever you have found, you can upload to this website, and if someone else has already uploaded that information, it will link to it. Genealogy is a wonderful tool for finding out more about yourself, and in this way, you are able to incorporate the faith component in that this is from the Latter-day Saint Church. I myself was raised Mormon, and my parents are still Mormon. My father was a bishop. My mother is a genealogist. How to incorporate using this tool for people who are not members of the church without upsetting them by coming off as preaching the gospel to them is the key here. We want to help people discover their ancestry using records from the church, using the algorithms from this church website, without becoming missionaries in the proactive sense of the word. Many people will have their parents, their grandparents, they'll know their names, they'll know their birthplaces, their birth dates, but beyond that, most people do not know their family history. This website, using computer science, using programming and algorithms, is able to connect people to their ancestors that were over here from the Mayflower, their ancestors that were alive 100 years ago, ancestors that maybe fought in the Civil War, ancestors that maybe are still grounded in Eastern Europe or in Malaysia or in Australia, anywhere in the world. Using the advent of the internet and the key components of this website, we are able to link computer science to tracing your own family history. I hope that you've enjoyed this presentation. It is again at FamilySearch.org, and it shows how to connect all of your family history using church records. Thank you for your time.